Alright, welcome back to the channel, y'all. This is still the bed build on little Jimmy. So let me show you what we've been doing. Well, as you see, I put all the diamond plate on, welded it on, got this piece here done, got the front angles cut. That's how that's going to be. It's going to be a straight edge here, going to be an angle on the back here, and I've got the back tail piece on of the wraparound angle. I'm now fixing to cut this piece here out and fit it here on this corner and come it out and it come out. Just about it. I got the hole cut out for the B&W, and we got all the braces all done under there. And just doing some of the wraparound now. Here's this corner cut. We're going to be putting some stake pockets in here, in the top pieces. Like one will come here, one probably here, one probably here, and it might be right here, there, and here. Down there, I'll have to space them out and see what I got. But anyway, for right now, we're working on this piece. So the wraparound edge, we'll do the whole back end here. Then we'll start working on this side, getting the stake pockets made, and we'll be getting that done. Just give you an update here, what we've done since the time lapse. As you can see, I finished up this corner here. Got this corner in. We notched out in the diamond plate here for these pockets. You can see there's this one, and there's that one. Here's the pockets. Got them all welded in. Look at that. That looks nice, don't it? Looks very nice. Yeah, that wire welder works real good. Anyway, look at that. Look at that bead. Anyway, I cut out for those pockets. Looks like I got a little bit of a welder drip there. I don't know if that'll come off. Anyway. Yeah, it's just slag. That's my pocket. And now that thing, just see what it looks like here. I'm going to move my ground wire. Set you up over here. Set you up over here. We'll set this pocket in. That's a little hot. A little warm. Voila. Now we just need to weld that dude in. We got this side done. Yeah, that fit pretty good. Pockets all done. I could trim a little bit, make them wider. A little bit longer, we may do that later. Yeah, that looks good. Let's just sew that dude up right quick. Well, to finish out the day, I got the front piece here on. Got the front piece of angle iron offset on. I still like the passenger side, doing all of it. But I got the back here done. Not done. I still need to weld a little, grind it, you know, things like that. Got this side done. And got the whole driver's side, pockets and all, done. I've actually got the passenger side pockets cut out. Of course, I'll have to cut the offset and do all the cutting and welding on them. But I got them all cut out. And then I got this corner here done. So, got this corner done, and it looks awesome, really does. You can see here, that looks awesome, that bead, man, that looks great. Really did a good job. I really am glad I took the time to duck those corners, because it just makes it look cool. And I like the pockets. I did a good job on the pockets too. I put 3. Now I will take this bed off once I get the headache rack done. I'm going to have to fit, and I'm going to spot. I'm going to build the headache rack. Just spot it together. Basically, spot it together, the outside frame of it, and this cross piece. And then after I get done spotting it all together, I will grind it loose here on the bottom, take that down, set it down, weld it, put all the bars in the window and and cut out for the tail light holes and do all that. Get it 100% ready, welded up, ready, ground down, everything ready to go. Then I'll put it back up here, weld it for good down here on the corner posts, and then I will take this whole bed and take it off, drive this truck out of here, and I'll put sawhorses in here, big old steel sawhorses, and I'll set this bed back on it. I'll sweep the floor, and I'll set that back on it. Then I'll get under, and I will weld. I've spotted it now, but I will weld all the cross members onto the outside edge. Yeah, they're spotted right now, but I will weld them for good. then, and then I'll do me some major prep. You know, I'll weld some more here on the bed. I'll grind, and then I'll put the front sheet of diamond plate welded on up here on the front. Really give it a going over real hard on the grinder, this and that, and then I will cut me holes in here for the clearance lights, and then I will wire all of it. You know, I'll wire it all, and then I will come in there, and once I get it all done, ground down like I want it, welded up like I want it, 100%, you're 100% ready to go, I will blow it off real good, and then I will come in here and I will prime it, and then I'll paint it black, and then I'll wire it, and then I'll come back and set it back on the truck, bolt it back down with my 6 bolts, and I'll be done. Hook up the wires, I'll be done. If you remember, I don't know if you can see them now or not, but I've got those bolts. I've got it bolted down. So yeah, and I'll do a lot of welding under here, welding the top to those rails. It's just spotted basically on there, just so it'll fit good. So but yeah, that wire welder's really doing a good job. Really doing a good job. That was a good investment. You know, I bought it used, and it was a very good investment. This is really the most brand new fab work I've ever done with it. That and the plasma cutter together. And it's really, really, really working out good. So anyway, that's about that for today. Thanks for joining us, and you know, I hope you like and subscribe, share it with your buddies. You know, we do all kind of farming videos throughout the year, cutting, baling, plowing, selling, hauling, seeding up, shop work, breakdowns. You know, look back through my old videos if you're a new subscriber, just a new viewer. If you look back through my old videos, see what you like. You know, look at it, comment, share it, and hey, stick around, because we've got a lot more to go, especially on the bed. So stay tuned. Thank you.